motherfucking Libra season. I don't give a fuck no more. I'm acting up. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me until it's over with. Because, bitch, I'm about to act cute on y'all. Good morning. Okay, so today is Wednesday. So yesterday I got my nails done. Today I'm doing my I'm getting my lashes done. So I don't know if I'm going to take you guys with me to do that, because this will be my third or fourth time going to her. So I don't know. I won't probably feel comfortable recording. And plus, you really can't record if your eyes are freaking closed. And me laying down on that bench like that for that long period of time, I ain't built like that, and I'm definitely ain't holding no goddamn camera. So I'm doing that, and that's all I have going on today. It's still raining. It's been raining for the last 5 days here. I washed clothes yesterday, so my clothes are clean. Today, I promise, is the day I am going to actually put my outfits, separate them, and pack them in the Shein bags. At least I will have the outfits together, because I have no idea what's going on. So I may come back later and show you guys that. If not, I will talk to you guys next time I pick the camera up. But today is one of my best friends, bestie, my best girl, my boo, my sister, whatever y'all want to call it. Like, we've been friends forever. I don't even use bestie term like that. But today is her birthday. She turned 40, so that's who's going to DR as well to celebrate her 40th, my 40th, and then our other friend husband's 50th. It's Libra season and it's going up. So, I definitely won't see her until Friday. And then we'll pick up from then. So, of course, I'm going to vlog the trip. I got all my bells and my whistles, so we're going to be ready to go. Alright, y'all, now I'm rambling. So, I'll be back. Hey, y'all. Okay, so y'all know when I travel, I take my hookah. Well, I try to take my hookah. So this go round, I'm not the only one bringing it, so I don't have to bring too many things. But I'm getting ready to sort out the shisha, which is what you smoke. And I'm just going to make mixes and just put them in separate little packages versus taking all of these containers in my suitcase. So I have these little resealable little pouches that I bought when I was making hangover kits for my business. So I'm getting ready to do that right now. I already packed up the tips, and these are the charcoals. And yeah, so once I put all the flavors together, I'll be good to go. So this is my travel hookah. Of course, got it from Amazon. It's easy to pack. Here's the bowl. This is what you put your charcoals in, and then the hose is flexible, so you can just bend the hose and pack it. It also comes with the LED little light thingy. I need to put some batteries in it with the remote. So yeah, so let me pack these flavors and I'll be back. So these are already kind of small enough for me to pack, so I'm not going to take these out. So I'm just going to go ahead and sit these to the side. This is trash. Again, make sure you check your expiration dates before you smoke the shisha. Like, this one expired last month. It's still fresh, but it's only a little bit. Ain't no purpose of me to even mess with when I have all these other flavors. So we have grapefruit, orange, kiwi, watermelon, and vanilla. So since I don't have these flavors in a mint that has tobacco in it, Black Smoke is nicotine and tobacco free. If you guys are not familiar, this is a black owned hookah company. Y'all need to check them out and support his business. He's been like popping over the non-nicotine tobacco hookah pens. So this is his shisha. He still has it available. I will link the link below if you guys are interested. He also provides the expiration dates on the back of his stuff. His stuff, since it's fresh fruit, fresh everything, it's like all natural. These last for over 2 years, okay? So these expire in 2023, but y'all know I had them for a while. So again, I don't need to sort those out. But again, since I don't have a nicotine mint, these will be the mints that I will mix in with whatever I sort out for these little flavor baggies. All right, let me go get a plate and a fork, and let's get to it. Enough portion for the size bowl that I'm using. So this is basically for one session. So I'm basically like mixing the flavors already, you know, to make the mix instead of, you know, taking them separate. So all I gotta do is just open up the damn thing and we good. So that's what I'm doing right now.
Tipping on steel, tipping on steel, rapping, spoke, pumping, spoke, is a no hacking, tipping on steel, tipping on steel, rapping, spoke, pumping, spoke, is a no hacking, tipping on steel, tipping on steel, rapping, spoke, pumping, is a no hacking, tipping on steel, tipping on steel, rapping, spoke, is a no hacking, now look who creeping, look who crawling.
Okay, so I end up making 5 different little pouches. So even if I don't use these, I can just give them to whoever wants to take them home. Because what I'm going with, half of the shit I don't want to bring back. Y'all know how I do, even down to them clothes. I throw all that shit away. All right, y'all. So that is the hookah portion of this packing video. I will probably be back to actually sort my clothes. And then we'll talk about that when I do that. All right, I'll call you back.
Tricks looking slick at all times when I'm flipping. Bar sipping, car dipping, Grant Wood grain gripping. Still tipping on, rapping, spoke, pumping, is a no hack, is a no hack.
Y'all, look how Peter looks at me when I get ready to leave. Hi, boy.
Coma hanging on my neck, the bracelet matches are set. My brother name is Tina Dollar, stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate, she wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, 2 sprints to Quebec, Cherie ou et mon bec. They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the Met. You know I gotta bring the set, you know I gotta bring the G block, you know I gotta bring the D block, cause you know how sticky it get. Hey.
All right, y'all. So this is the stuff that I just picked up from Total Wines. Let me get my ass out of here. Okay, I told y'all I was going to come back. Okay, today's Thursday. So all of the items are here so I can put together these hangover kits. So I'm getting ready to do that now. Look at my new phone case, y'all. Got it from Amazon. Okay. Let's do this. So y'all saw in the, you know, the clip, all the things I'm putting in there. So let's just get this party on. So I've never tried these before, but it says dehydration relief fast. So either you're hungover, you're nausea, you from alcohol, sleep, travel. These are supposed to do. So these have 16 sticks in it. Oh, so there's different flavors. Okay.
I ain't taking your shit today, no. I ain't taking your shit tomorrow, no. We can do it my way, so I ain't sticking, no, I ain't sticking.
Okay, so this is the highlight of the hangover kits. So when we went to Cancun, the resort had no straws, and we were like low-key tired of using their cups. So look at these, y'all. So this is the pack of 4. I will leave the link below. I think they were like $9. So look, it comes in your little case. You get your little hook, and then it comes with the little caps to go on there. We also have these personalized cups because we're the Orly squad. So Tiffany and I have the white cup that says 40 as fuck. and then everyone else will use the 40 squad. So, and they'll be able to use their portable straws. So let me put these in a little kit. So this is what they're looking like now. Yes, I love this for us.
Cause you just wanna play with my honey. I see you with the girl at the party. You think I'm just gonna stand nobody? Want you waste my time, but I don't need to mind. I guess I'm on you, baby. I guess I'm on you. I guess I'm on you, baby. I'm calling what you want. I guess I'm on you, baby. I guess I'm on you, oh. I guess I'm on you, baby. So tell me what you want.
Okay, y'all, so the hangover kits are complete. So this is all 12. We actually have, I think we got 13 people coming. Somebody not gonna get one. Which will probably be one of the husbands, because they don't really care. And then this is just the extras I'm bringing for me and Tiff, since we don't technically get one. So we will give everyone their cup and then put the bags in there. Period. I'm tired. Alright, y'all, so my wax is done. I'm getting ready to go next door to get these toes done. And I am officially done with my vacation prep. Period. I've never been here before, so it better be. Ooh, and they got a tobacco store right here. Ooh. Let me tell y'all something. The way this woman massaged my legs super duper duper slow. Girl, do y'all see this? My God, today, I need a man. Back to the vlog.
Don't stop the green light. How you got me special when you know I can't have it. When I'm under the next one, oh, now you want me to grab.
Alright, I'm making it do what it do. So, toes done. I just left the bank because I wanted to get some singles to tip. Usually I don't, but I need to start doing it. So this is my first time actually. First of all, I have not been inside of a bank in years. Let's be clear, okay? So since I was able to get to my bank, I was just going on ahead and got some singles so I can be able to tip while we're on the resort. So I'm going to get some lunch and I'm going to head home. So they got Five Guys. What else is over here? Oh, some little fancy nail bar. Oh, Jersey Mike's. I think I'm going to get that. I think that's what Tori wanted. What else they got? Wingstop. Oh, and Lido's.
Want you to grasp. Oh, do you mean you people making me believe life has turned into a dream? It gets so toxic to me. What am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over.
I haven't got a smoothie from Tropical Smoothie in so long, and it is so good. So normally when people, like when they ask name, I say my name, but I have to spell it, because if I don't spell it, they jack it up. Do hit me with the NYEMA. Came home and took Peter out. If y'all know, it's been raining for the last couple of days, so we have a backyard, but you know, he still likes to get his walks in. So we're doing that now, and I'm almost finished my smoothie, y'all. It is so good. Oh my God.
Luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up. Lotus flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high.